Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the perfect messy bun updo. To start, I'm going to leave some hair out to frame the face and clip this out of the way for later. Do this on both sides of the head. Next, divide the hair straight across from about the end of the eyebrow height. And we're going to pop this into a ponytail using an elastic band. But on the last turn, only pull the ponytail part way through to create a loop. Next, we're going to divide off a section of hair from just behind the right hand ear to the middle of the back of the head. And again, we're going to create another ponytail and pull it part way through on the last turn to create another loop. Then take the same size section on the left hand side, create your ponytail, pulling it halfway through to create another loop. And then with the rest of the hair, we're just going to pull that up a little bit to the middle of the back of the ears and create one last loop. So you should have 4 loops altogether. I'm going to take the top loop and put a couple of fingers right through the centre. Then I'm going to grab that bottom loop, pass it to my fingers and pull it all the way through. Hold both these loops to the head and secure all the way around the outside of both the loops with as many bobby pins as needed. Then pop a couple of fingers through the loop on the right hand side. Grab that remaining loop on the left hand side, pass it to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Again, secure at both sides with as many bobby pins as needed. Apply some wax spray across the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Then pinch and pull at the hair to create more texture and volume. And then lastly, we're just going to take our fingers and pinch and pull every loop and twist of that bun to create more texture. You can leave the ends hanging out if you like, or you can wrap them around a bobby pin and tuck them under the bun. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.